Welcome to my channel. My name is Roger, and this time I'm gonna do a review of these hiking shoes, brand Adidas. I'm gonna take it for a hike and see how they feel and how they perform. I'll show you the way I tie my shoes. This way it doesn't become untied while doing the hike. So what I do double knot. So I do 1, 2, and then 1, 2. And it's very secure and it's very hard to come undone. I'm gonna do it again. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Okay, and ready to go for a hike. Okay, so here I am. I just finished the first third of the hike so far. The shoes feel very comfortable, secure, good grip, and I have to test them going down as well. So I'll let you know. Okay, so here I am almost at the end of the trail. I just have to go down a little bit, but I tested the shoes going down and they feel that they have a very good grip going down, so I would definitely recommend them. I would link the description below on the description of the video if you want more information about it. And another tip that I would say is to get a size, one more size of your regular shoe, because when you go down your toes won't be hitting the tip of the shoe on the front. So remember, try to get it one number extra than your regular size. I have a question for you. Which are your favorite shoes and why, and where do you usually go hiking? Alright, I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment questions or suggestions. Put them below. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright, I'll see you on my next video. Hey, how you doing?
What the hell? Oh, you're self-fitting yourself.